I'm working on this week's video and it's a restoration video, but I wanted to find the origins of this piece and I need your help. So I found this great little screwdriver at a junkyard, and it is an old replication of probably an Irwin. It was remade a bunch. What I've just found online, Matco Tools made a version of this, but I can't find who the originator was of this and what year this style of screwdriver was used. You can see a dog chute on the end of it, but it's got little marks right there. There's no writing on the what is this, the cap, except little hash marks, but there's no name or anything on it, so that's why I am thinking it's a knockoff of the original Irwin screwdriver. But what I like about this one is the shaft of the metal screwdriver is square, and I always love that because you can always put a wrench up to it to get a little bit more leverage. On this it doesn't really matter as much, it's kind of smaller, but on bigger items with stuck screws, it definitely helps trying to get rusted screws out. So if you know what that screwdriver is a replication of, and maybe even when this possibly was manufactured, that would be great if you put it down in the comments. And coming soon is the full restoration video on this channel. See you then.